Picture yourself in the 2013 Chevrolet Avalanche. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take a closer look at this striking Chevrolet Avalanche, the full-size utility vehicle that blends pickup capability with SUV comfort and style. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, fog lamps, remote engine start, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, seat memory, trip computer, power windows. Don't sacrifice comfort to get utility. Enjoy the best of both in this stylish Avalanche. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.